Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox the Joe Malone advent calendar, and I know it's March, but the reason I'm doing it now is I started to do it in December. I unboxed the first 3 days and I did take a video of that, but then the video quality was so bad that it was just so impossible to open the boxes and hold the camera with one hand. So now that I have the tripod, it's a lot easier. And I've been meaning to do it, but I just haven't had a chance. So this obviously isn't gonna help for last Advent, but if you're thinking about, next Christmas season, getting one of these, it's still helpful to, see what's in them and just to decide if it would be worth it for you. So I did, as I said, open the first 3. So I put them back in just to, to show. So this is number 1, and I'm not sure if this was the exact right order, but this is, let's see, it says white moss and snowdrop cologne. So that's the white moss and snowdrop cologne. And number 2 was the, it was the Scarlet Poppy cologne, and it says intense. It is intense. I've actually been using these 3 that I did unbox. And the third one was the lime basil and mandarin, which is very nice. And one of the things that I do love about Joe Malone is that you can mix and match the scents. They do have a guide of what goes well together. So, okay, so those were the 3 that I had opened. So now number 4, there's nothing in there. Well, that's disappointing. Huh. Let me see number 5. See. Number 5 is a soap. It says Red Roses soap. So, okay. And it smells nice. Well, I'm really annoyed about number 4. That's such a jip to have one box so far that's got nothing in it. Number 6, it feels like a candle. Let's see. It is pine and eucalyptus. That's pretty. Very seasonal scent, obviously, for Christmas time, but definitely very pretty. Let's see, 7. Number 7 is, there's 2 things in number 7. So let's see. It is fig and lotus flower. Let me see. That smells nice. Okay, so that's the first. And there's a second one. And this is interesting. I wonder if one of these was supposed to be a number 4. Let me see. It says some honeysuckle and something. I can't even read it. Honeysuckle and maybe orange? That's really pretty, actually. I like that a lot. That one's very nice. Honeysuckle and orange. So, yeah, weird there were 2 perfumes in there and nothing in number 4. Okay, number 8. Number 8 says, it looks like it says myrrh and tonka. Interesting, kind of a strong scent. I've noticed that the dark bottles are more intense, and it says on it intense. So those are not as light as the other ones. Okay, number 8. And let's see, number 9. This is interesting shape. Oh, what is this? Oh, this must be a body lotion. Wood, sage, and sea salt body cream. Oh, that sounds really nice. Let me see. That's very pretty. I love Jo Malone body cream. I like the pomegranate noir. That's that. And number 10 is 10 is dark amber and ginger lily. That smells good. Okay. 10. Number 11. Okay. This is interesting. This looks like maybe a hand cream. It is Peony and Blush Suede Body and Hand Lotion. So, smell this. Oh, it's closed, but that's very nice. It looks nice. Okay. So far, nice products. Let's see, number 12 right here. Looks like another bottle of the cologne. This is blackberry and bay. Oh, that sounds good. Let me see. That's very nice. It's different. Blackberry and bay. Okay. Okay, number 13. Let's see, lucky 13 we have. Oh, this is, what is this? It's like a, what's that look like? Like a, some kind of a powder puff? Powder puff? I don't know. Anybody know what that is? Doesn't say. No instructions. Wonder what that is. Some kind of a powder puff? Maybe to put on your powder? I don't know. Let's see. If anyone knows, put it in a comment below. Okay, 14 is another cologne. Okay, this is Velvet Rose and QUD? I don't even know what that is. Let me smell. That's very nice. I don't know what it says, but it's nice. Okay. I do love Jo Malone. I use the pomegranate noir, grapefruit, and the what's the other one that I use? Sweet pea and freesia. Those are the 3 fragrances that I use, that I bought, for myself. And so I'm excited to try these other ones. But yeah, we will see if this was worth the price, which was, it's about $500 for this. So we'll see if it's worth it. Okay, number 15, it's another big box. And it feels like another hand cream. let's see, lime, basil, and mandarin hand or body cream. So that's nice. Nice, like a nice purse size. I'm gonna put all these on the counter here. Okay, let's see, number 16. And these bottles are smaller than the ones if you buy the bottle. These are the, I don't know if it's not really a sample size, but it's just like it's like a half size. It's nice if you want to put it in your purse. It's not that big. Let's see, this is Peony and Blush Suede. And I think, yes, that was the same as the hand cream. That was the Peony and Blush Suede. So we'll see. I'm going to be smelling like the perfume store here. That's pretty. Okay. And number 17. I'll tell you, it makes sense to do this one day at a time because opening them all in one day is a lot. So, oh, this is another candle. It says Myrrh and Tonka, which was, what else did I get? It was Myrrh and Tonka, one of the perfumes, colognes. So that's nice. Another little candle there. And let's see, 18. Another fragrance. Okay, this one is Red Roses. I'll bet that's nice. That's very nice. Red Roses. Smells like roses. That was number 18. So then number 19. Is it's that QUD? I can't see it even with my glasses on. It looks like it says QUD, OUD, and bergamot. If anyone knows how to pronounce that, if anybody even knows what that says, let me know. Okay. Let's see, 20 is this one is, let's see, Jasmine, Sambac, and Marigold. That sounds pretty. That's nice. I am definitely going to use these. I'm going to use them all. It's going to take a while, but I am going to use them all. Okay, 20, let's see, 21. Oh, this looks like maybe another candle. Yep. It is lime, basil, and what's it? Mandarin. That is really pretty. That's a very, very nice scent. Lime, basil, and mandarin. So far, one of my favorites. Um, 22. Let's see, this is, what does that say? Wood, sage, and sea salt. I think that's what it says. Let's see. That's pretty. Very pretty, actually. Wood, sage, and sea salt. Okay. 22, 23. We're almost done. This looks like. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh, it's a snow globe, a Joe Malone snow globe. Huh, well that's pretty. With all the glitter in it. I don't really see, I don't know if there's anything else inside of it. Usually there's like a little something inside there, but it's just the glitter. So it's pretty, but just a little decoration. Okay. And 24, oh, big one. Okay. It feels like another hand painting, maybe. Let's see. English Paraphrenia. Oh, that's nice because I do have the English Paraphrenia cologne. I love layering the cologne and the body cream. So with the Pomegranate Noir, I will put the body cream on and spray the cologne on. It's obviously much more intense and lasts longer. So that's nice. I'm a little disappointed I have not found Pomegranate Noir in here, or Grapefruit, which are the ones I use. Okay, and so finally, December 25th, this seems like a full-size cologne, and this is, oh, English Paraphrenia, which I love, and I do have, and that's nice because this is a full-size. So this is about $100 bottle if you were to buy this. So if this is $100 alone, and then the rest of it, $400, maybe it's worth it. I'm gonna see how much use I get out of these things. If I end up using them all by the end of the year, or by November, I might buy another calendar. We'll see. Although I kind of feel like it was fun to maybe do it once to get to try all these different fragrances, and then figure out if I like anything, if I wanted to invest in any of them in a full size. So I'm just not sure. I'm not sure if doing it once I think is fun and it's worth it. I'm just not sure if it's worth it to do it multiple years in a row. I'll assume the fragrances might be different, but anyway, so that's what I got. Let's see, it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, wait, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 small fragrance bottles, 1 full size, 3 candles, 3 hand lotions, or hand or body, and then 1 body cream, a soap, and then something that looks like a powder puff, and then the snow globe that has nothing in it except some silver glitter. So I'm not disappointed, but I don't know if I'd say that this was the absolute most like stunning, incredible advent calendar, but I do think it was in terms of the amount of fragrance. I think that it's worth it for for somebody who wants to try a lot of the different Joe Malone scents. I think it was worth it, but I would have liked if there had been Pomegranate Noir in here and Grapefruit, because those are the fragrances I use, and I feel like Pomegranate Noir is like a sort of popular fragrance, and Grapefruit a lot of people like too, so I'm kind of surprised they didn't put those in here, even just the small size. But anyway, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry this was so late, but hopefully this will give you an idea if you wanted to invest in the advent calendar for this Christmas season, coming in about 9 months. So anyway, there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.